Thank you for joining me here today. We are at 5921 Blackbird Way in Lewis Center, Ohio. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, first floor condo. As we make our way in, our first room here to the left is the flex room. Each room does have wall-to-wall carpeting. This condo offers hardwood flooring throughout the entry, kitchen, dining room, and living room area. Our next room that we come into just off the entryway is the gourmet kitchen with all stainless steel appliances, microwave, gas stove, refrigerator. Also offers granite countertops. Plenty of storage. It also offers a corner pantry with plenty of room for storage as well. Just off of the kitchen is a dining area. Plenty of room for dining table and chairs. The kitchen countertop here also offers a breakfast nook. We make our way into the living space area. As you can see, there is plenty of natural light that does come in during the day. There is a small patio just outside the doors here, just off of the living room. Living room does already come equipped with a TV wall mounting bracket. And there is the hall closet. I'll pan back around here. If you'd like to schedule a tour with us, give us a call today at 614-505-6212 or go online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. First room we're coming into is the master bedroom. Master bedroom does have ceiling fan, wall-to-wall carpeting, lots of space. This room is large enough to fit king-size bed with end tables on each side. Plenty of space for dressers. Just off of the master bedroom is the master ensuite bathroom. The vanity does offer dual sinks, his and hers, with storage space underneath. Laminate flooring. It does also have a deep walk-in closet. Stand-up shower. Extra space for storage, decoration. Also a private room for some private time. Behind the door is a linen closet. Plenty of storage for towels, accessory items, linens. Check out the rest of the house. And again, to schedule a tour with us today, please give us a call at 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. As we make our way back through the master bedroom and through the living room area, we do come to the hall bathroom. This is also another full-size bathroom. This vanity offers a single basin with plenty of storage underneath. Just outside of the bathroom, another quick view of the living room here. As we pan around, we come to the second bedroom. Second bedroom also offers a ceiling fan, wall-to-wall carpeting, coming back out of the bedroom and past the bathroom area, we do have access into the laundry area. And I do apologize, I do not have the light on. This is the laundry area. This unit does not come with washer and dryer. Then it also leads straight out to the garage. Nice size 2-car garage. And again, I cannot emphasize anymore that there is plenty of storage. I thank you for taking this tour with me today at 5921 Blackbird Way in Lewis Center, Ohio. This beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,400 square feet of fine living on the first floor of condos. You can schedule a tour with us today by calling 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. We thank you for taking this tour with us today and look forward to hearing from you.